Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to take off this mirror cover on Lexus UX250. Okay, first we need a plastic trim tool. Let's pop out the mirror glass. Right. I always start from outside. This for holding pot, and yeah, this is other. So I recommend let's take picture, and then after picture just pulling out, but you have to press down because very easy to, you can make damage anyway. But I just don't take off all because I don't need for that. So let's see. For the mirror cover, one Phillips screw is holding, and one plastic here, I think, and that's it. So let's see that. And have a look, more or no. Okay, let's press this top here. I'm not sure, I don't know what time was. So let's lift up, try lift up, yeah. Okay, I just press in the top and then push that way. This all sounds bad. I don't know what I did mistake. Let's have a look. Yes, I did break this. But where was this? Oh yes, I didn't see that. Yes, so need going through other flat screwdriver to press that, and after should be come out nice. So yeah, and if you want to take off the bottom piece, you have to take off these two other Phillips screw, and then will come off, and easy to paint without any masking trouble or something. So this was the best way, I think. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.